United States Department of Agriculture logo. Baked tofu bites. Recipe for children ages 6 through 18. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 1 hour and 20 minutes to prep with 1 hour for marinating and 15 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Prep time happens 1 day before cooking the recipe. Cube and drain tofu the day before preparing the recipe. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. Cut 1 pound and 11 ounces of firm tofu into half-inch cubes and place them into a colander. Place the colander inside a bowl and put it in the refrigerator to let it drain overnight. The next day, turn on the oven and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a 1-gallon plastic bag, combine 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoons of reduced sodium soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of water. Seal the bag and mix the ingredients by squeezing and releasing the bag. Remove cubed tofu from the refrigerator and add it to the gallon plastic bag containing the marinade. Seal the bag and mix the ingredients by squeezing and releasing the bag. Place the gallon plastic bag in the refrigerator and let refrigerate for 1 hour. Turn the bag every 15 minutes. In a separate 1-gallon plastic bag, combine 2/3 of a cup of whole wheat flour, 1/3 cup of cornmeal, 1/4 plus an 1/8 teaspoon of dry mustard, and 1/4 plus an 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. Seal the bag and shake to mix the dry ingredients. After an hour has passed, take the cubed tofu out of the refrigerator. Use a slotted spoon to move the cubed tofu from the marinade bag to the bag with the seasoned flour cornmeal mixture. Seal the bag and shake to mix. Get out a baking sheet. Place a piece of parchment paper on top and spray with non-stick cooking spray. Place the tofu bites on the baking sheet. Place the baking sheet in a preheated oven. Bake for 15 minutes. Check the temperature of the baked tofu bites. The internal temperature should be 140 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Serve 1 cup. The CACFP crediting for baked tofu bites for children ages 6 through 18 is as follows. The serving size is 1 cup. It is 2-ounce equivalent meat alternate. It provides 3/4 of an ounce equivalent grains. This recipe is whole grain rich. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.